Have you ever heard of Aesacus, the forgotten son of Priam, king of Troy? His heart-wrenching tale is a tapestry of love and tragedy, woven with threads of longing and despair. Aesacus was deeply in love with the nymph Hesperia, whose beauty rivaled the dawn itself, captivating all who beheld her. But fate is a cruel mistress, and despite his unwavering devotion, she was destined to become a star, leaving him heartbroken and utterly alone. Desperate to escape his sorrow, Aesacus sought refuge in the depths of the sea, hoping the waves would wash away his pain. Yet the ocean had other plans. It transformed him into a humble serpent, a creature bound to the shores where Hesperia once danced in the moonlight. In his new form, he watched the skies longingly, yearning for the love he lost, his heart aching with every twinkle of the stars above. As the night deepened, he became the keeper of her memory, forever cursed to glide through the water, a silent guardian of the night. Tales of his sorrow rippled through the ages, reminding us that love can transcend even the harshest of fates. Aesacus teaches us about devotion and the profound pain of separation, a myth that lingers in the shadows of time, waiting for the curious to uncover its depth.